Hey everyone, so today I want to chat a little bit more into symptoms of gut issues so you can kind of get an idea if it's something that is affecting your overall health. Because most of the time we're not really noticing symptoms because we are just used to them. This is kind of that daily thing. I always get this, and so it's totally fine. That's my normal, or this is what everyone experiences. And what's funny is that it actually isn't. And so I wanted to chat about the main things to think about and keep a lookout on, so that way when you are kind of doing your daily routine, you can kind of get a better idea if it's something you need to see a practitioner about or to kind of hone in and make some changes on your own. So the first thing is pain. We're all accustomed to feeling different variations of pain, but pain in the digestive system, such as burning sensation, heavy sensation, a bloating or a kind of expanding sensation, all of this can signify an imbalanced gut. And it can also signify a under-functioning digestive system. Maybe we're not breaking down the food really well. Maybe we don't have enough of the enzymes. And so that kind of gives you an idea of, do I need to address my digestive aspect here? And also look at the foods we're eating, because those do play a role on our digestive actions. The second symptom to kind of think about is cravings. Do we have cravings, for sweets? Do we have cravings for caffeine? Do we need that quick pick-me-up? That could also signify something like, I'm not getting enough because I'm on the go and busy, but I'm not eating enough for my body. Or I'm not getting well-nourished meals that are actually serving my body with the nutrients and vitamins it needs. Another symptom is weight gain. This doesn't happen overnight. This happens over time. And so looking at the foods we're eating, how much we're expending during our exercise or movement can play a big role, but also our digestive function can play a big role there with inflammation that's happening from foods or from stress. So if you're gaining weight for no reason, start to look into this, question why it's happening. Mood changes are another issue that we start to see with gut dysfunctions. The gut and the brain communicate. The gut is seen as the second brain, and so certain foods can aggravate or create emotions. I've noticed when I eat chocolate, I love chocolate, but when I do eat it, occasionally I get that type of irritation or anger. And I'm not sure where it stems from, but it has to be some sort of imbalance that's happening at that point with that type of food. So it's happened once or twice and I've linked it together, but it's taken some time. Another issue is exhaustion, sleep issues. We feel tired all the time. Usually that kind of stems from the foods that we're eating. Are they nutrient dense? Are they nourishing? Do they have the vitamin minerals to help support my body and my digestive function? And if they aren't, then that's where my body's going to start to slow down mentally and physically. And then finally, skin irritations. Most of the time, skin issues stem from an imbalanced gut. And so if you're having rashes, eczema, psoriasis, that really gets aggravated with foods or certain types of foods, that's something you want to check in for sure with your doctor, but that could be another sign of an imbalanced gut. So keep those in mind on your daily routines and see how you're feeling after your meals. How do you feel before meals? What types of symptoms come up often? Usually a symptom means the body's trying to tell you something. So listen to it, try to find the cause, and if you want some help, check out with your practitioners and get some nice specialty lab testing done and get in more in depth with your symptomology. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.